Hey everyone, want to make your Instagram account more private? In this video, I'll show you 2 great ways to hide who you're following and who's following you. The first option is a feature right within the Instagram app, and the second is a super clever trick you might not have thought of. Let's dive in. Method number 1, make your account private. To get started, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. First, you need to make sure your account is a personal account. If you have a professional, business, or creator account, you'll need to switch it first. Here's how. Tap the 3 lines in the top right. Scroll down and tap on business tools and controls. Scroll down and tap on switch account type. Switch to personal. Confirm. Once you switch to a personal account, you can now make it private. Go back to settings and privacy. Tap account privacy and toggle on private account option and confirm by tapping switch to private. Important to know, anyone who is already following you will still be able to see your followers and following list. If you want to hide this from them, then you have to manually remove them as a follower. To do this, go to the profile, tap 3 dots in the top right corner and select remove follower. But what if you don't want to remove your followers but just don't want to hide your list? This brings us to a much better solution. Method number 2, create a dummy account. This is my favorite trick. If you want to keep your main account public but still have a private space to follow others and be followed without your list being visible, you can create a second private Instagram account. From your main profile, head to settings, go into account center, scroll down and tap on add more accounts. Give this new account a unique username that's not easily linked to you. Now you will have a private dummy account where you can follow and be followed by others, all while keeping your main account public and your personal lists hidden. This is a great solution for maintaining your privacy without having to remove followers or sacrifice the public nature of your primary account. Ever wonder how to share your Instagram story on your WhatsApp status? Check out this video to learn how.